From a security point of view, if the child is going to get a cash flow from that date, the date on which you buy the policy, which is obviously the child's age below 20, up to the child's age of 50, 55 for the next 30, 35 years. See, it's a good thing that you buy insurance that something happens to you, your family and surviving spouse and family gets a big chunk of money. But there is magic in getting cash flow. So there is a chunk of money available, no doubt, but there is a cash flow. When a cash flow comes in every month or every year, it has its own magical properties. You can do so many things with it. You can plan so many things. If nothing else, the child already knows that there is financial security. Now, that's the key word we are playing here, financial security. There is a payout coming in. You invest that payout, you use that payout, up to you. But from a financial security point of view, it might be a very, very good idea to consider some of these